Tired of spending a fortune on tennis rackets that just don't perform? Here are the 5 best budget options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Hirali Tennis Racket Set. The Hirali Tennis Rackets 2-pack caught my eye because it's a complete set for under $40. If you want a budget-friendly way to dive into tennis, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this set is that it comes with 2 27-inch lightweight aluminum rackets, 3 pressureless balls, and a carry bag. That means you're ready to hit the court with a friend right away. The lightweight design, at just around 260 grams, means you won't be dealing with arm fatigue while you're trying to master your swing. Plus, the thickened aluminum construction ensures that it won't warp easily, which is a common issue with cheaper rackets. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're a beginner, having something durable and lightweight means you can focus on your game instead of worrying about your equipment. Now, some users mention that these rackets might feel a bit too lightweight for advanced players. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out, that lighter feel can actually help you learn your swing mechanics without feeling sore after a game. This is perfect for you if you're just beginning or looking for a fun way to enjoy tennis with friends. Skip this one if you're a seasoned player looking for something more advanced. At under $40, it's a great value for new players. Product number 2. Wilson Federer Recreational Racket. We have the Wilson Federer Adult Recreational Tennis Racket, priced around $33.28. If you want a quality racket that gives a taste of pro performance without breaking the bank, check this one out. This racket features an air-light alloy construction, which makes it lightweight while still packing a punch in terms of power and durability. The power strings are designed for longer mainstrings, allowing for greater power on your shots. Plus, with stop shock pods, vibrations are reduced, giving you a better feel for the ball. This is critical because if you're looking for a more controlled game, reducing vibrations can really improve your overall experience on the court. However, some reviews noted that the grip size might not be suitable for everyone, especially if you have larger hands. But let's be real, if the grip size works for you, you'll appreciate how much easier it is to maneuver and control your shots. This racket is perfect for you if you're an intermediate player wanting to enhance your game without spending too much. Skip this if you need a larger grip or are just starting out. For under $35, it's well worth the investment. Product number 3. The OPPUM 2-pack adult tennis rackets for about $46.99. This caught my attention because it offers an arm-friendly design, which is something many beginners often overlook. The OPPUM rackets have a 105 square inch oversized head that gives you a larger sweet spot, which is fantastic for those off-center hits that can frustrate beginners. Built-in dampening fibers in the composite frame help reduce impact shock, which is a big deal if you're worried about developing tennis elbow. Plus, they're pre-strung and come with 2 rackets, a bag, and balls, so you're ready to play right out of the box. However, some users felt the rackets were a bit heavier compared to others in this price range. This might not be ideal if you prefer a super lightweight feel. But honestly, for beginners learning the game, a little extra weight can actually help in developing strength and control. This is perfect for you if you want a complete starter kit that prioritizes comfort and ease of use. Skip this one if you're after something ultralight or if you're at a more advanced level. At just under $50, you're getting a lot of value here. Product number 4. The Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket, which is priced at $36.99. If you desire a racket that combines power and stability, this is definitely a contender. This racket features a volcanic frame technology that enhances both power and stability, allowing for powerful shots without sacrificing control. The power strings are designed to amplify your swings, giving you that extra oomph on the court. It's also equipped with stop shock pads that cut down on vibrations, making for a more enjoyable playing experience. When you're out there on the court, trust me, you want to feel connected to your shots, and this racket helps with that significantly. Now, a few users have reported that the grip size can run small. Look, if you have larger hands, this could be a deal breaker. But if you can work with it, the performance at this price is hard to beat. This racket is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, all-around racket that won't disappoint on the court. Skip this one if you need a larger grip size. At just under $40, it's a solid investment. Product number 5, Jula Essentials Dual Paddle Set. Let's take a quick detour with the Jula Essentials Dual Paddle Set, priced at only $5.21. If you're looking for an affordable way to enjoy table tennis action, this one's a steal. While this isn't a tennis racket, I wanted to mention it because it's perfect for those who also love ping pong. You get 2 paddles and 3 high-quality balls, which makes it easy to set up a quick game with friends or family. The hard bat design allows for controlled bounces, making it ideal for beginners while still being fun for more advanced players. Plus, Jula has a solid reputation, having been around for over 60 years, which speaks to their quality. Some users have mentioned that these paddles might not withstand heavy competitive play, and they're right. But for casual home use or family game nights, they're more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you want an inexpensive option to enjoy some fun indoor activities. Skip this one if you're looking for something for serious competition. For just over $5, this is hard to beat. To wrap things up, we've looked at some solid budget options: the Hirali set, Wilson Federer, OPPUM pack, Wilson Tour Slam, and even a fun Jula paddle set. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Wilson Federer for its balance of power and control, perfect for intermediate players. The one to avoid, the Jula set if you're strictly looking for tennis equipment. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.